Hey guys, welcome to the first C programming tutorial in the series, and in this tutorial I'm going to give you a quick overview of what the C programming language is, and then I'm going to show you where to download CodeBlocks, which is the program that we're going to be using to write all of our C code in. So let me just explain what C is. C is a fairly old programming language. It was developed between 1969 and 1973. Therefore, it's a fairly simple language, meaning that you can pick it up rather quickly. Also, this means that a lot of other languages were derived from it, such as C++, Java, and C#. So once you learn C, you can pick up these other languages fairly quickly. Alright, so now that you have a little background of what C is, let's just go ahead and download CodeBlocks. So just go on Google right here and type in CodeBlocks, and go ahead and hit the first link on Google. And then it should take you to a web page that looks just like this. If not, just go to codeblocks.org. And then just go to the Downloads tab right here and click Download the binary release. Now, as you can see, you can download CodeBlocks for pretty much every operating system. You can download it for Windows, Linux 32-bit, Linux 64-bit, and Mac. So I have a Windows computer, so I need to download it for Windows, obviously. And if you have a Windows computer, make sure that you're downloading the second one. This one right here. Alright, and to download it, just click either one of these links and it will download it for you. Alright, so once you have CodeBlocks downloaded, just go ahead and open it up. So just type in CodeBlocks. Alright. And once it loads, you should get something that looks just like this. And since we haven't created a project yet, let's go ahead and do that. So just go ahead and click right here where it says Create New Project. And we're going to be creating a console application. So just go ahead and select console application from this list right here. And then go ahead and click Go. Then you're going to want to select the language that you're going to be coding in. We're going to be learning C, not C++, so make sure that you select C from this list right here. Then go ahead and click Next. Then you're just going to want to give a name to your project. I'm just going to call mine YouTube. And then you're going to want to select a location for your project to be in. I already have a folder set up for all my C projects, but if you don't, I highly suggest you do so that you know where all of your projects are. So once you've selected a location for your project, just go ahead and click Next. And then make sure all of your stuff right here looks exactly like mine. So make sure that your compiler is set to GNU GCC compiler. Alright, and then once everything looks like mine, go ahead and click Finish. And as soon as you do so, you should get a blank screen, and that's good. But in order to look at the code for our program, we're going to have to go over to the browser right here and click this little drop down and double click on where it says main.c. And this is all the code for our program. This is basically just a sample project right here. So this program is very simple. All it will do is just print out Hello World onto the screen. So let's just go ahead and run this program to make sure it works. And to do that, just go ahead and click this button right here. And as you can see, all that program did was just print out Hello World onto the screen. And of course, if we wanted to, we could go ahead and change this to print out something else. I'll just make it print out Hey Adam. Make sure it works. Click this build and run button up here, and as you can see, it just says Hey Adam right there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to explain what all this is and how to customize the output a little bit more. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial, so see you guys.